In this video, we're going to show you how to scan a case using a semi-adjustable articulator. First, set up your order as you normally would. For this demo, I'm just going to choose antagonist on both. And the main thing you're going to have to do is change the scan mode to articulator. Insert the upper jaw and press start. When the upper jaw is done, click next. Remove the upper jaw out of the scanner. Insert the lower jaw and press start on the touchscreen. When this is finished and you click next, the table is going to move all the way down to the bottom so you have room for your articulator. Insert the articulator into the scanner with the buckle facing the back, making sure it's securely on the plate, and press start. The plate will go at a slight angle and move very slowly so your articulator does not fall off. Once the scan is done, first thing you're going to do is remove the articulator and then press the OK button. Next, review your bite and make sure that everything looks good and click next. And here is the final scan completed.